In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive in Notion simply and quickly. For those of you using Notion to manage your wikis, documents, and projects, archiving is a valuable function to help keep your workspace clutter-free and organized. So, let's dive into the steps. First and foremost, you'll want to head to your Notion workspace. This is the hub where all your pages and projects live. Once you're there, the next step is to log in. Click the Login button and enter your credentials. This will bring you to your main Notion homepage, where all of your content is easily accessible. After you're at your Notion home, you're ready to create a new page designed explicitly for archiving purposes. To do this, simply click on Create a New Page, which you will find in the sidebar. Here, you're setting the foundation for your future archived content, so it's important to name this new page thoughtfully. I recommend naming it simply Archive, so it's easy to identify and return to whenever you need to. With your archive page set up, you can now start the process of moving unnecessary or completed pages into this designated space. To do so, browse through your current pages. Once you've identified a page you wish to archive, right-click on that particular page title in the sidebar. This will bring up a context menu with several options. From this menu, select Move To. Now, when you click on Move To, a new interface will pop up, allowing you to choose exactly where you want this page to be moved. Here, you should see the archive page you created earlier. Select it, and your chosen page will be relocated to the archive, effectively clearing it from your active workspace while storing it for future reference. This method of organizing your workspace by archiving completed projects or inactive pages will greatly enhance your productivity in Notion. By keeping your active workspace focused and tidy, you can maintain clarity and improve efficiency as you manage your tasks. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and I hope these steps help you keep your Notion workspace as streamlined as possible. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy Notion tips.